Buick is one of the oldest automakers in America. They currently have 6 models in production, all SUVs and crossovers. But are Buicks good cars? Let's take a look. Buicks have long been known as classy, lower-cost alternatives to luxury vehicles like Mercedes and Lexus. Most modern Buicks have great reliability and safety ratings too. Edmunds rated Buick's compact crossover the Envision a 7.4 out of 10, their full-size SUV, the Enclave, a 7.8 out of 10, and their subcompact crossover, the Encore, a 7.9. Meanwhile, Car and Driver ranked all 3 models slightly lower, giving the Enclave a 5.5 out of 10 and both the Envision and Encore a 6.5. According to the 2022 Consumer Reports rankings, Buick is above average in terms of reliability, earning the 11th spot out of 32 car brands. Their overall score was 72 out of 100. In the 2022 J.D. Power U.S. Vehicle Dependability Study, Buick ranked second, meaning that Buick drivers experience fewer problems during the first 3 years of car ownership compared to drivers of other brands. The Encore has experienced 0 recalls, the Envision only 1, and the Enclave has had 2. Experts also agree that Buicks are safe. The NHTSA awarded the Enclave, Envision, and Encore perfect safety scores of 5 out of 5. The IIHS gave all 3 models a good rating and named the Enclave as a top safety pick. These accolades are due in large part to Buick's Driver Confidence Safety Suite, which comes standard or optional on most models. What's even better, it's less expensive to maintain a Buick than the average vehicle. The average Buick driver spends around $608 a year on repairs according to RepairPal. But it's worth noting that older Enclaves have caused drivers some trouble, especially with the 2008 model, which was reported to have major transmission issues. Gas mileage is one area where Buick has room for improvement. Buick currently does not offer any hybrid or electric models, and the models they do have only get average fuel efficiency ratings for their class. Unsurprisingly, the full-size Enclave performs the worst in this department with a combined 20 mile/gallon rating. The Envision and Encore perform slightly better, each achieving around 25 to 26 miles per gallon. The good news is that Buick plans to release an all-electric SUV sometime soon, with the goal of becoming fully electric by 2030. By most accounts, the current Buick lineup is pretty fun to drive. The current Buick models offer posh interiors, comfy seating, and luxury features for a surprisingly affordable price. If power is your thing, the best Buick for you might be the Enclave. Its V6 engine can do 0 to 60 in 6.6 seconds. That's no speed racer, but it's definitely fast for a crossover SUV. Or if you'll settle for nothing but the best, the Buick Encore may be calling your name. It was the highest rated Buick model by both Edmunds and Car and Driver, and it offers the best bang for your buck with an MSRP value under $26,000. For more information on finding, buying, and insuring your dream car, go to getjerry.com.